It's 9:45 a.m. We're in Peoria, Arizona, suburban Phoenix. I've been out riding for, about 3 hours. So I'm going to stop, get myself a cup of coffee at Burger King. And as usual, I've been counting my blessings, and I'm going to continue to do so. I want to share some good news. Come on, let's ride. I'll show you what I'm looking at. And the really good news today is that I had a chocolate chip cookie. Stay with me through the end of the video and I'll show you where I got it. And if you're looking for some bad news or something dramatic or spectacular, sorry, this video isn't going to have that. Just good news. And I can remember asking why the news doesn't have any good news on it. And I got an answer. There's just too much of it. Here, I'll give you an example. A Glendale man woke up feeling good this morning after a good night's sleep. His dogs had some dog food, and then he went for a ride on his trike. Although there were no eyewitness accounts, apparently his lower back wasn't hurting at all. And yes, I know it just sounds absolutely ridiculous, the amount of good news that you can talk about if you want to. So I'm going to keep doing it. Stay with me. The weather was bright and clear, with no signs of a hurricane or snow or rain or anything. The aforementioned Glendale man enjoyed a delicious cup of coffee at Burger King, and then he rode behind the shopping center where he was not, repeat, not, hit by a truck. Didn't even come close. I've been thinking like this all of my life, and yeah, I'm the Glendale man who's lucky to be here. Of course, I've known a lot of people, I kind of call them stinkers, who can always find a dark cloud behind every silver lining. And maybe those negative people aren't really stinkers. Maybe they're just humble and they don't want to brag a lot. Or they may have fear of being smited down by the gods for having hubris. When I was a kid, I learned about the ancient gods who were small and petty. But I wanted to grow up to be like Ulysses. I would shake my fist at them. I wanted to hear the sound of the sirens. I would tie myself to the mast. Okay, now, where was I? Oh yeah, good news. I didn't get a flat tire today. Not even one. I also didn't get hit by a car. Not even close. Well, if you're still with me, thank you. I warned you that there wasn't going to be anything dramatic or exciting in this video, but if you stay with me, I'm coming up on where I'm going to get my chocolate chip cookie. Right past the post office. Okay, I'm going to turn right here just because. Let me think. This is Wacker in one direction and Emile Zola in the other direction. There's a kid up there next to a table. Looks like he's selling something. I decided in advance that I would buy something if it didn't cost too much. And I'm going to get a chocolate chip cookie. Life is good. Thanks for riding along with me. I'll see you next time.